Rats are living under my neighbour's decking. They are getting in there from my side of the fence, so I'm going to block the holes with concrete. It looks like they also might be living under my man cave too. You can tell because there's a little hole at the front between the decking and the grass. To make the concrete, I'm going to use a bag of ballast, and I'll also use half a bag of cement. This will help to make the concrete nice and strong. Put the bag of ballast in the wheelbarrow and fill up half a bucket of water. Empty half a bag of cement on top of the ballast and add about half of the water. Mix it by turning over with a shovel. Keep adding the water as you go. Keep mixing it until it is like thick mud. Shovel it where you want it. I'm placing the ballast and cement mix over the stones I've put down, as this will act like hardcore. Level it out using a trowel and get it in all the gaps. I'm now going to smooth it over with this. I am using a rubber grouting tool to make it flat and level. That's nice and flat. I've left it to dry overnight. I might put some stone chippings back over it to make it look nice. Well, that's it, job done. That's how you mix ballast and cement to make concrete.